In this video we will learn how to extend the Wi-Fi range of the main router using Mercusys router as a secondary router. This procedure is called bridging. You can use any brand of router as long as it supports bridging capacity. In this video we use TPLink router as the main router and Mercusys as the secondary router. So let's start. First we need to connect to our secondary router or the Mercusys router with a default name Mercusys_294 and wait for a while until it's successfully connected. So now that we are connected, open your browser and enter the default IP address of the Mercusys router. Once you successfully access the system of your router, type the password you want to access your router and confirm it and hit enter key on your keyboard or click the arrow button to proceed. Now we don't need to set this things up. Click the X button to skip this part. Now we successfully access the router. Click the Advanced button. Under the Network tab, click the LAN settings and change the LAN IP address to manual and assign this router to different IP address so that we will be able to access the main router and the secondary router with no IP address conflict. We don't need to change the subnet mask. Click Save button and wait for the router to restart. As we can see, we can now access our secondary router using the new IP address. Type your password you set earlier and click the arrow button to proceed. So now we are going to connect our secondary router to our main router to extend Wi-Fi range. Click the Advanced button and under Wireless tab, click the WDS Bridging and click Next. Now select your main router and enter the password to validate your access and click Next and wait until it successfully connects. As you can see, we are now connected to our main router. Let's access the main router using its IP address. And there you go. Now let's access the secondary router using the new IP address we set, and here it is. Now let's check if we have internet connection from the main router. So we are successfully extended the Wi-Fi range of our main router using our secondary router. Thanks for watching.